Oh my god! Oh my god, yes! Oh god, my hand is stuck. Oh, step broke! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix all the rattles and noises in the interior of your BMW F chassis. Chances are, if you have an F chassis, it's starting to show its age and you're starting to hear some rattles from your interior. And this is how you can make sure your car sounds brand new again, at least on the inside. Let's go. The seatbelt makes like a clicking noise. Pins, the door, these. Yeah, make like a clicking noise, like metal noise.
We open this one.
Oh my god!
Broke it!
Oh my god!
Okay, just like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
So you have to break it off, right?
2 connectors.
Alright. So we open this too with the 10mm.
Yeah.
Alright. Should I just pull it off like an animal? See? When it comes to doing it himself, he will bring out tools, but please don't use a screwdriver. Okay. See, I did it all by myself. Oh my god, wow.
Okay, bro, off the ignition.
Hold this, bro. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now open this one.
Just pull it off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Bro.
Okay.
Oh shit. This does not feel right.
Disconnect the wire. This one. Okay, careful, bro. This one. Okay.
This would be a great time to clean all of this.
Yeah.
Gotta love Malaysia and its rains. It just was sunny like 5 minutes ago. Actually, after this, we can turn this into a race car.
Yeah.
Without
open.
the center console, right?
Yeah.
We just keep the car in Sport Plus.
And then we switch the hydraulic handbrake.
Hydraulic handbrake?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hydraulic e-brake in your car.
Why is this not magnetic? Oh my god, I lost it. Bro, you should buy magnetic ones. So let's screw down here, one here, and one over here. Oh wow! Is it a good time to do manual swap? Because there's no transmission to change, right? It's just this, the shifter. We don't need to change the transmission at all. Is it all this rubber?
Yeah, bro. This one noise from the dashboard, yeah, bro. Not from the foam.
Oh my god, my hand is stuck. Oh, step broke. I'm stuck.
This is the foam tape.
Foam tape.
Yeah.
This is gonna fix the rattles.
Yeah.
So you just unplug everything.
Yeah. Just unplug.
Ah, yes. Come off. Unable to change transmission position. I mean, at least it's not a drivetrain error.
Oh, what is this?
Drivetrain!
What happened? What is this? Ah, drivetrain.
Rally cars, they all have a passenger who don't change it. No, they actually don't change gear, but holds the map and everything.
Yeah.
So we are doing the same with Kogu today because this is a rally car now. Okay, go front. Thank you. The car feels so much lighter now without the dashboard. This is a true automatic transmission now.
Check the wires.
No wires, bro. Yes. Okay. What is this, bro? Disgusting. It's a good time to clean up all the dirt that's been stuck there for the past 10 years, so.
We open all this.
Add the tape.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna take off the seats, just to have a look underneath. Just have to open these 4 bolts.
10 years later.
Now that these 4 bolts are removed, you unplug the module. These are the covers for the subwoofer underneath the seat. You have no idea how long it's been since I've wanted to do this. Now we're gonna redo all the sound insulating tapes and everything. We took them all off. Oh, it's stuck, isn't it? I already feel like it's more quiet. We're putting all the way around here. Anything basically that contacts with this dashboard, we are adding some of these so it will prevent from friction between the two materials over here. Would you offer this service to other customers? No?
That's a no.
This is fun, bro. Better than working in the engine. But this is taking too long. So we are putting some padding and adding some silicone so to stick it all together and reduce all the noise. The car is coming together pretty nicely and I'm really happy. Look at all of this. 10 years of not being clean. So tell me what did it with it so far?
We open up the center console and then we put the foam tape
All around underneath this, inside here. Then over here, did we do anything here?
under here.
So there is no metal on metal or plastic on plastic connections anywhere. We put some padding underneath this and added some silicone because this was shaking and rattling. And then behind here, what was going on here? So we put padding in the creases. So basically there should be no metal on metal or plastic on plastic rubbing together. If you like this video so far and you want to watch more content like this, make sure to rub that subscribe button down below. Let's go on with the rest of the video.
Wow.
Looks like it's okay. So in order to take off the door panels, you need to pry that handle out and then put this weird shaped screwdriver and find the hole. Turn, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes.
What about
Do it
this?
to me. Oh god. Oh no.
Bro, okay, enough, bro.
I'm gonna slow. This does not look. Bro, is this okay?
Can, bro.
Yeah. Still have the rear seats over there. Bro, every time I do something like this, I damage something else.
One week later.
Another rattle that I have in the car is from the curtain behind. It's so rattly, it's so noisy, even on the highways it's always making the worst sound and it's so annoying and it makes the car feel cheap as hell. This is how we are gonna try and fix this. This too?
Yeah.
Bro, there's no screw.
I opened it.
Okay then, whatever. You're gonna open the seatbelt screw with T50s. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of work and it's very tiring. The grind never stops. So we should start putting the roll cage in, right? So what have we done? We opened 4 bolts from the trunk. We opened all the seatbelt bolts. We ripped off the rear seats. Yeah. Now we are ripping this off. How to fix this? Change the clip. Put padding. Yeah. As you can see, this is making a lot of noise.
Yeah.
What happened? We're gonna do some weight saving measures and take off the pads because we don't need them. This is very comfortable. Why don't people do this? So as you can see, all this rubber is all hardened and melted and gone to basically in the past 11 years of this car's life. So what we are gonna do right now is take all of this gunk off and add brand new padding all over this plastic. For the past 1 hour, we've been trying our best to figuring out where the rest of the sound is coming from, and it turns out that we have been wasting our time. So we have a little piece here. We're gonna open this out. Pull! We don't need this anymore.
How do you feel like, you know, you're driving back one day or somewhere, you're just casually driving, and then you just realize that your interior is this, and then how do you react?